I've been recommending this for the longest time. We went from $70,000 to now $16 million. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Tim Hutter from fxcrusher.com. Welcome to this video. It's been a while since the last video. I'm now in my home country, Switzerland. I haven't been here in 2 years, so it was time to visit my family and also for a break. I took 1 month off trading, everything. I was just working out, making music, hanging out with my family, just quality time. I really needed this. I was not active. Also, the timing was perfect because it was literally right after all my funded accounts got taken away. And now making this video to update you guys because I get so many questions all the time, like which prop firm is legit, which prop firm pays out, which prop firm I can pass, all this type of stuff, or what I recommend in general. So I thought, let's make a video. You know, I've just been very exhausted from trading, from all the stuff that has happened with the funded accounts taken away. And also I never had a break ever since I started trading. I never had a break, and sometimes I didn't sleep enough. You know, I'm very transparent. It caused some mental problems. I was severely stressed, and I had in the past a problem with panic attacks, an anxiety disorder. And I'm pretty sure this got triggered through trading as well, or it was a big factor because of the uncertainty. Then also all the businesses, lack of sleep, and just always pushing myself and being so far from my family, all the stuff that you cannot control in trading. Like after all the years you learned so much, you had to learn so many painful lessons, and then finally you're profitable, and then your payouts get rejected, you get breached, you lose all your funded accounts for no reason. This is very stressful. And then also managing a community. I mean, I love what I do, but sometimes it can be very, very exhausting. And so I came here to my home country. I really missed my family because I haven't seen them in 2 years. And I came here and I didn't know I'm going to take a break. I thought I'm going to just continue trading and everything. But once I arrived here, I basically woke up from a hell ride, which took years. And it was like the first time where I was able to say, okay, you know what? I have worked so hard for all the years and I don't need to work right now. It's not going to be beneficial for my mental health, nor from a financial perspective. I don't need it. I make enough money passively from the PAM account. Thanks to all the work that I've done in the past, now I can just relax, enjoy time with my family, enjoy my country, enjoy the peace here, focus on my passions, and just be offline and just in the moment, not always on my phone, not always in my Discord, and not on the charts. I really needed a mental reset, and it's now been 4 weeks. Maybe I'm going to continue for 1 or 2 weeks, but today I started opening the charts again. I'm not trading yet, but I'm slowly getting back into all this stuff. So that's the background. But now let's talk about trading, prop firms, what has happened, what I recommend right now to make money, and all this stuff. So let's go. As we speak, I just got a message from a prop firm owner about the prop firm that is launching. So the number one question is, hey, which prop firm do you recommend right now? And to be honest, right now, I'm not recommending any prop firm. I'm convinced that Funding Pips and FTMO, they pay out, but I'm not offering a passing service for them. So you have to pass them yourself, and it obviously works and they pay out. Apart from this, I don't recommend any HFT prop firms right now because it's simply not worth it. It's not profitable if they don't pay, you know. I don't know an HFT prop firm right now that really pays out, and I'm not trading any prop firm accounts either right now for exactly this reason. So I'm not going to recommend you something which I'm not doing myself. That's a sad truth that right now you cannot really trust them. I heard that Quantec has a new management, but still they just rejected another payout from my account. It was now the 3rd payout in a row rejected. A lot of money not paid out. And this is the case with the other ones as well. TFT, I mean, they have breached my account for no reason. Now they're back, and I think they gave a discount for another challenge, but so I have to pass it again. So I'm never going to trade with them anymore. Unfortunately, for right now, this is the reality that I don't recommend any prop firm, and I warn you to better stay away from prop firms. So what do I recommend? How to make money? Either you trade yourself, your own funds, or you just use the PAM account. I've been recommending this for the longest time, for more than a year, almost 2 years now. It's now running for yeah, almost 2 years, we went from $70,000 to now $16 million. And I have shared this all the time on my Instagram. By the way, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my name here just to make sure you're always up to date, because that's where I share all the news and updates. So let's continue. I've been sharing and showing this PAM account all the time. I'm gonna link the videos also how it works, because I've also made videos how it works. It's also my website. It's literally the best thing ever, because in simple words, it's a hedge fund. It's traded by 6 manual traders, 6 bots. We're using AI. It's getting better and better. It's highly profitable. We made on average like 14% per month. We had like 470% gain. It's all on my website, the track record. It's all on my website, links down in the description. And so many people have been watching it and they missed out because they didn't invest. They thought, oh, I cannot make enough money with it. But that's just with the short-term mindset. If you only have $1,000 and you think about today and tomorrow and the next month and that's it, yeah, then obviously your prop firm account is much better because you can get more money faster. But in the long run, that's what I've been saying all the time. You're going to make way more money with the PAM account than with the funded account. The funded accounts are temporary. You're always going to lose them, or they're not going to pay, or whatever. On the other hand, the PAM account is something very sustainable. It generates returns very sustainable. There's no drawdown limits. There's no rules. There's no withdrawals that get denied. It's just real money that is managed by real traders. It's on the A-book and you can withdraw all the time. All the info is in the link down in the description on my website. I've been saying it all the time, and to be honest, I could retire right now just from my investment in this PAM account, because I make enough to make a good living from this without doing anything. I just don't understand how people can be so blind and only have their eyes on prop firms, funded accounts. Why not real money? Never have all your eggs in one basket. I mean, I've been using prop firms as well, but also I always took the money and put it into the PAM account. You know what I mean? And now I can make a living of this alone, which I'm very, very happy about. And the PAM account has a big future because we're implementing a new system, which is going to make it even more profitable. Now, a lot of people are asking, how can I access the PAM account if I'm from the US or from Canada or another restricted country? And I'm sorry, there's no option right now, or as of now, I'm not sure if it's going to change ever. That's just the thing. If you're American, you just have a lot of disadvantages in this business in terms of crypto and Forex, just so many restrictions. The only way you can access the PAM account if you're in the US is by either having a second citizenship or a residence in another country, or if you have someone that you can trust from another country, like to open an account in his name, he does KYC, then afterwards he can change the password and the email, so only you can access it, and you can deposit and withdraw in crypto. This would be a way how to circumvent these restrictions, but yeah, your government simply doesn't allow this, and that's out of our control. We're working on this for ages and we're going to continue. Maybe there's going to be a solution with a new broker in the US, which is going to be regulated in the US, but with a different type of license. But this is out of my control. I cannot influence the speed. That's really not my fault. It's just the restrictions in the US and Canada. It's just bad luck. I'm sorry. I wish I could change it. And that's all that I have to say. There's some partnerships coming up potentially with prop firms that have a license in the US and stuff. But as of now, it's just talk. I don't have the proof yet. I need to test it myself before I promote it again. But it looks like there's coming up something, but I don't know when. It could be in 2 weeks, it could be in 2 months, or in half a year, who knows. But now, in simple terms, to end this video, don't use prop firms, use the PAM account. It's been profitable for such a long time, and you're wasting time and money if you don't use it. Once you make a deposit and you see it growing and growing all the time, then you're like, why didn't I do this earlier? Why did I wait for so long? That's all I have to say. You know, I've always been very honest with you guys, and I only recommend you stuff that I use myself. I could recommend you stuff that would make me way more money, but I don't do this. I only recommend you stuff that I use myself and stuff that makes the most sense, in my opinion, from my experience, and this from an objective standpoint, not just from my own interest. I hope you get this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like or a comment if you have questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Peace out.